Alright, yo, what up guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today we're doing something a little different. We're gonna be doing a little, what's it called again? Randonauting. It's like this app that generates a quantum random number generator, and with that number,
you're going to be engaging a quantum random number generator. The quantum process is looking for anomalies, which can be either an attractor, which is the center of the highest cluster of quantum dots, or a void, which is the center of the least presence of quantum dots. You can also choose an anomaly, which is going to deliver the strongest of those two different options.
what that number is a GPS coordinate to a place in a radius of like your current location. We're gonna go and just see like where it sends us right now. We're just gonna send you to paranormal places, right?
It depends, yeah.
Yeah. GoPro, start recording.
I'm gonna do an anomaly.
What's an anomaly?
I don't know how to explain it. Isn't it like the strongest points that relate to kind of like your intent?
Yeah.
So I saw a YouTube video on it, and anomalies are, it's like a grid of all these random points that the number generator, and anomaly is like a cluster of, a really dense cluster of points that are like similar to each other, I think.
My intent for this one was something out of the ordinary.
Ooh, alright.
So, something out of the ordinary.
Something out of the ordinary. Alright, we made it to our destination. It's like this guy's house right here. He's in his garage, of course, like the one person that's in their garage out of all these places. Maybe that's why I picked it. Because he's the only person in
It's out
his
of the
garage.
ordinary.
It's the only
It's
person
not in the
that has his garage door open out of all these people. That is crazy. When we go up to his house, like, excuse me, sir, do you have anything out of the ordinary from here?
Okay, wait, I'm filling out the report. It asked me, was your trip wow and astounding?
No.
No. I'm gonna do an attractor actually. And then my intent is gonna be, I wanna see a big bird. Yeah, my button doesn't work. Like I tried programming the remote, but it doesn't work anymore. All right, we arrived at the location. It's right in front of Home Depot. So we're gonna see if we're gonna find any big birds, like 2-3 feet big birds. None of those little sparrows, none of those little black. Where does it say it was?
It's like, it's supposed to be over there. Somewhere like that.
In the street or in the? Let's head on over there and observe. I'll cut it up. I'll be cutting it up. Look how many birds are out right now. This is crazy right here.
At first, Jerry said his intent was to see birds. So I'm thinking that's what it was, but then he changed it to big ones. Big birds, so. But there's a lot of birds outside.
Yeah, these guys are just going crazy up here.
Very
like
strange.
a feeding frenzy right here.
I don't think I've seen this many in this area before.
Hey, we got the green light. We're walking now. We're walking now, boys.
I'm gonna check it back here.
Yeah? What if it's like a dead bird or something?
Sometimes it's like a...
I feel like this is prime bird area. Oh yeah, he was. He did like a... He was driving in reverse for a second.
Actually, like...
Nice birds though. Alright. Got the vegan chocolate chip cookie diving into this right here.
Sure.
Alright. Falling apart. There you go.
You.
There you go.
Nice.
Gobble it up. Gobble it up.
Do random something like that.
Let's increase the radius. Let's drive a little.
Anomaly though, because they're like.
Yeah. Alright. Another one.
Alright. Saw this TikTok of a girl and she I don't know what their intent was, but they had like their backup camera, and there was like this guy behind. And there's like this red truck, and then in their backup camera, the guy in the red truck wasn't there, but they turned it around and like you could see it in the camera.
What the heck?
But then they showed it. They weren't there. I'll show you the video. Let me think of it.
Weird.
Something weird. Is it a little too broad though?
Yeah, dial it down a little bit. Dial it down.
Let's just say like a strange object. Let's look for a strange art piece.
Head southeast on Melrose Drive toward the Depot Road.
Alright, we made it. Should be up here on the left, I think. Yeah, I hear rando nodding. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
It's like in between the houses or something, right?
Yeah.
Well, let's get closer to the flag. Why is it that every time we go to the house, it leads us to someone, their garage is like wide open, like staring at us. It says flip-flops, always welcome.
That's exactly.
That one kind of worked. We out here rando nodding.
There's a lady outside.
Alright, today's Saturday. No, oh my gosh, today's Friday. I'm down to go rando nodding. We're gonna go rando nodding again today, and I'm gonna give Colin a little call and see if he wants to come with me. Alright, let's do it. Snack on the vegan shop. Call Colin Russell.
I don't have a phone number for Colin Russell.
It's alright, he always does this. He's always,
Please leave your message for...
he's just playing, you know. He always, he's gonna pick up, don't worry, he's gonna pick up. Alright, first point of the day here. We're gonna set our location, and then we're going to, let's do something easy today. Let's do an attractor. Alright, and then we're just gonna do, let's do 1 point for now. Oh, Colin's calling me. Yo, what's up?
What's up, Jerry? Sorry I was sleeping.
I'm gonna be doing this thing called rando nodding.
When are you doing it?
I'm actually doing it right now. I'm actually filming with my GoPro right now.
Oh, I'm down. Alright, you can head over right now if you want. I'm just like brushing my teeth.
Alright, sounds good, dude. I'll be there in a few.
Alright, sounds good.
Alright,
Yeah.
peace. So, just got calling right now. But I'll show you what it means. It's an app where it's your location, where you are, and then I'm going to ask 3 options. You have a tractor, and it's a really strong cluster, like these like random quantum between the two. So
it's just based off like Google Maps?
yeah, dude. I did it with Martha the other day, and
Like in 2 different places?
yeah, like we were doing it at the same time.
Oh, that's really
and we
cool.
set like the same radius and did the same type of points.
Nice.
It was pretty crazy, dude. I brought her to this one place because she thought her intent was something that reminded her of like us, and I brought her to like this giant letter M, which is like the first obviously letter of her name.
Damn.
I was like, what the heck? That's crazy.
Cool photos would be cool too.
Oh yeah, dude. I actually brought my camera too. GoPro, stop recording. All right. We finally got a point down. It took us forever. My internet wasn't working, but I'm gonna start driving there. Let's put the camera on the hood and let's get to it. All right,
There's just no one here, but it's like a Friday.
Yeah.
It's not a weekend.
Oh, that was epic. Why does this look like a prison? It's like basketball courts, like benches, all activities monitored by surveillance camera.
I think it's just a school.
Bro, that's a really sad looking school.
I'd say this is new to me. I didn't know this existed.
It looks like it's over there. All right, so this is where it took us. This is a truck driver training academy. What were you pointing at?
That like seating area, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, that looks pretty sick. There's like some stuff on the board. I wonder if that's where they do like the lessons.
We gotta check that out.
Yeah, definitely. Let me grab the camera, do some investigating here. Got the camera here.
Got it.
Yeah, definitely. All right, made it to the point. We're in Vista apartment complex right here, and we're trying to look for something. Purple. Oh, I already found something. The flowers over there.
Yeah.
Hey. It's like the only purple thing I see. And your shirt is purple too. And the cow. Hey, the flowers right here, dude. Wait, that's exactly where the point said it was gonna be. All right, look.
That is weird.
You're absolutely right about that, dude. So we need to find some purple, and right off the bat, there's already a purple bush right there. On that side, there's a lavender bush, but right here, this is actually a jacaranda tree. You can see there's some purple leaves. These ones already blossomed, but I think it's pretty crazy. Purple it is. Let's do it. Now you go ahead. What do you say?
It's weird.
Yeah. There's like a whole story going on in one of these houses, or each of these houses.
Yeah. Probably some dark stuff, but also probably some very great stuff.
Definitely. Already seen a little purple right here.
That's our goal this time?
Yeah, because it gave us 2 points. What do you mean?
Map? Treasure map?
This map? Check it out. It's in Spanish. It says wait today, or right now. Wait.
Something's odd about that. Something's off.
Espera? I think that means wait. Or it means flag.
I'm picking up a little purple right here.
Hey, oh yeah. Oh, purple, whatever these are called.
More purple in public than I realized.
Yeah. I feel like, oh yeah, let's see. I feel like there's more of purple when you set your intention that you want to see purple. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because if I set my intention right now to see blue, I bet I would see more blue than I saw like if I didn't like start looking for it.
If we said blue, we would have been like, that's blue.
That's blue. My shirt's blue. You know?
That's blue.
That's blue. The sky's blue.
Yeah.
So our point is like just up here, but on the app it said 100 meters radius from that point. So anywhere within 100 meters of that point, we could be finding purple. So already seeing a lot of purple. I'm gonna come back once we find some more interesting stuff. We're out here at Goodwill. All right, she's on. We're live, baby. Wait, you gotta dive in. I'll get you on video.